Okay, today we're looking at a 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. It's got 36,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's blue crushed metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks good on this side. Got the deck lid spoiler here. We got rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything is in really good shape, well taken care of. Okay, once again, it's a 15 Camry XSE, clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, 36,000 miles on it. All right, it's got the black on black door panels, nice suede in right here with the red stitching, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the WeatherTech, really nice floor mats there, black leather trim, okay, black leather trim, the red stitching, but it's got the suede perforated inserts, okay. Driver's seat's in great shape, no problem there. It is a power driver seat, okay. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. There's 2 of them there. All right. Passenger seat is also in really good shape, no problem there at all. Okay, does have a little bit of this middle center console storage. It's got your heated seats right there. It is an automatic. Dual climate controls. Okay, got your AM, FM, CD player and touch screen right there, and the backup camera will be there as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You got Bluetooth over here. Okay, got the red stitching. You got your steering wheel audio controls on this side. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 36,897 miles. Now that we got it turned on, go ahead and show you the display screen here. All right, that's the radio. Let's go ahead and get you to your apps. You got audio, phone, eco, setup, traffic, weather. All right, there's your home screen there. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Okay, we got the dual climate controls down here, as you can see. All right, AC's blowing cold, no issues there. And then right here we had a little storage. You can open this up. You got USB and auxiliary ports here and a power supply outlet there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk around on the passenger side and open up that door just so you can see the quality of the interior. But everything is in such good shape in this Camry. Okay, door panels look good. All right, you got the back seat WeatherTech liner as well. Okay, and then here in the back, of course, you've got the leather, but then you've got the perforated suede inserts. Back seat cloth is in fantastic shape. All right, it does have the center console that comes down. Got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. All right, carpet back here is in good shape, nice and clean. A ton of room back here in this Camry. All right, go ahead and lift this up. Got your spare, got the jack back here. Underneath that, you got the spare tire there. All right, let's check out the wheels and tires. Got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape, still plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. All right, you got the backup camera, the heated seats, the nice alloys, leather suede seats. Really, really nice car, blue crushed metallic. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners, 36,000 miles on it. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.